back to my channel. For today's video, I have 3 work from home customer service jobs hiring now. If you're someone who enjoys speaking on the phone and helping others, then this is for you. So the first position that I have is with Capital One, and this is all the states they are hiring in. And we're going to see the list of necessary skills they are looking for. So you need to be willing to learn, have strong attention to details, have a positive attitude, have empathy, able to communicate effectively, have a good judgment, have good control of the calls, be proactive, have a solid attendance record, and you need to have a reliable private internet connection. And the compensation, they are paying $19 per hour, and an additional 5% applies to Las Vegas and Wilmington. This is a list of the benefits you would have. So they have quite a lot: medical, dental, vision, flexible schedule options, paid time off, all of that good stuff. The basic qualifications: you need to have a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent certification, and they're looking for at least 1 year customer service experience. And they do have some work at home technology requirements, which is the basic secure home office environment that is free from background noise and distractions. They are looking for private internet connections. You need to have everything password and be in control, the ownership of every line and internet that you're going to use for this job. And they are saying that some of the requirements: you must live within approximately 100 miles driving distance of one of the following zip codes, and be comfortable coming in person whenever required with no less than 24 hours notice. So here is all of the zip codes, and that is pretty much what they are asking. So if you're interested, you can go up here and click the apply. So the next position that I have is with Stoneside, and they're looking for a customer service representative. And what they're looking for, what the company values are: you need to be honest, positive, generous, continuous improvement, and have a passion. Some of the responsibilities and duties are that all orders are done in a timely manner while ensuring a 5-star experience for the clients. You will be taking a lot of inbound calls. You will need to make outbound calls and process emails. You will be doing a lot of administrative work, handle complaints, and resolve issues. You need to be able to collaborate and communicate with employees, management, customers in a positive and productive manner. Some of the qualification and skills: you need to have strong phone contact handling skills and active listening. You need to be efficient written and verbal communication, 2+ years in dispatch or scheduling customer service type role, call center experience recommended, proven methods of providing a 5-star experience, strong commitment to improving the process in a positive and helpful manner, proficiency in various Microsoft applications and NetSuite. Microsoft Outlook, they are looking for 1+ years, aligned with our mission and values, and flexibility with schedule. Schedule is based on assignments. Regional assignments, and coverage will range from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Monday to Saturday, 5 days a week, 40 hours a week. And they are not saying how to apply, but when you go a little bit up on their website and see at the other positions, they have how to apply, so you can send your resume to join our team at stoneside.com. And the last job that I have is from Kelly Services, and they are looking for a customer service call center remote, and they want someone local to Mason. I think this is how you say it. And it's full time. The pay rate is $16 per hour. Paid training schedule Monday to Friday to 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. for first 1.5 to 2 weeks, and you have paid training. The hours of operations, business hours, is Monday through Friday through 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Work schedule will fall between these hours. Work schedule will be assigned after training is completed. So you won't have necessarily the same schedule as when you start the training. Saturday 9 a.m., 7 p.m. with a weekday off is assigned to work a Saturday. So they have a note: remote local must live within 1 hour driving distance from Mason, Ohio. So general function: the customer service representative provides high quality multi-channel, so we'll be doing phone, chat, email, social media, US mail, support, and problem resolution to customers each day in a manner that meets or exceeds defined department objectives to protect and increase retail revenues and enhance the overall customer experience. Additionally, the customer service representative initiates the escalation process for unresolved customer problems. So some of their major duties and responsibilities will be to assist customers over the phone and non-phone services and support issues, resolve problems utilizing department tools, resources, business judgment, and expertise, and appropriate partnerships with field stores, resulting in increased customer satisfaction and retention. Act as a positive role model by demonstrating continuous performance improvement, solid business skills, and support of department and company objectives. Ensures productivity, revenue generation, and quality levels are met to meet and exceed customer expectations. Use courteous and professional language. Works effectively in a team environment, creates a win-win resolution to problems. Some of their basic qualification is you must live within 1 hour of Mason. Obviously, high school or GED is required. 1+ years experience in a high volume call center. Retail store field experience a plus. Ability to produce quality and professional written correspondence with customers, the ability to demonstrate and perform basic math, customer service orientation. You must have high-speed internet and able to connect to hardwire. Intermediate PC knowledge, working knowledge of Windows operating systems, proficient with Microsoft Office, fluent with internet and mainstream web browsers, commitment to providing resolution to customer issues on the first contact, and strong English comprehension and a good command of grammar. The position is recruited by a remote Kelly office, not your local Kelly branch. And okay, if you have any questions, reach out to this email. And if you're interested, you can go ahead and apply now. Also, Kelly Services, they are hiring a lot. They constantly have some positions from what I've saw. So if you are interested in viewing their website from time to time, they also, if you're not someone who is comfortable being on the phone, they also have chat positions. Those go really fast because it's really in demand. So this is all I have for today's video. All of the links to the jobs will be in the description below. I appreciate you watching. If you want to support my channel as I'm a new creator, please like and subscribe. That would help me a lot. And again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.